Hello Sunflower Smarties, how are you all? Fit and fine. Welcome to Sunny Sky Primary School. So today in Standard 4th we are doing grammar lesson number 12. Our lesson number 12 is using question words. Now you all are knowing what is the meaning of question words, right? Question words are the words that we use to ask questions. We can also say them WH words, who, what, where, when, why, how, which. These all are WH words. Now in our first exercise what we have done fill in the blanks, right, with the correct question words. Now today in today's exercise on the page number 86 of your book you have the question, page number 85 of your book you have the question, take the correct questions then correct the wrong ones using appropriate WH words. Now here I have written all the sentences. Those who are correct will just do right mark, tick mark, and those who are not correct, incorrect sentence will write it with the appropriate WH words. For example, if the question is for place, we can use WH word where only, we cannot use when. If when is given, we have to rewrite the sentence using where. Let's do it. So the first one, which are you hiding in your bag? Are you getting any meaning? Are you understanding this question? No, because this is not the correct question. Which are you hiding in your bag? Here we are asking for thing, right? Which thing that you have hide in your bag? So here our question will be not which, our question will be what. What are you hiding in your bag? Okay, so we will do here wrong and we'll write it again with the question what. What are you hiding in your bag? And without fail question mark. What are you hiding in your bag? Now the second one, why bad is this? See, here we have bad, right? Here why will not come because we are not asking any reason. We are asking whose bad is this for possession. So here we are not talking about any reasons. So why will not come. Here we have to write whose. Whose bed is this? This is mine. This is Priya's bed. So whose bed is this? And question mark. That one also wrong. Now the third one, who boy is your friend? See here, who boy is your friend? Who is your friend? That is correct. So we can give one name, but who boy is your friend? No. So here we have so many boys and we have choice from this which one is your friend, right? So here who boy is your friend? No. Which boy is your friend? So here at the place of who we'll do which. Which boy is your friend and question mark. Fourth one, which can you always write so neatly? See here neatly, we are talking about manner. When we are talking about manner and something that is done, he is always writing neatly. So here which will not come because writing neatly there is no choice. So here it will come how. How can you write? How can you always write so neatly? So here we will write how. How can you always write so neatly? And question mark. When are your shoes? Now shoes do not shows us time. Where are your shoes? In room, outside the home, in shoe rack. So here shoes do not show us time. For shoes, when will not come? Here it will come where. Where are your shoes? Where are your shoes? And question mark, because shoes do not show us time, shoes show us place. Like shoes are in upstairs, shoes are downstairs, shoes are in the garden or in the room. So here shoes shows us place. So where are your shoes? After that, number 6 we have, where did you come back from your holiday? Now from your holiday means we have to say date, or tomorrow I will come back, or we have to say in evening I will come back, or we have to say on this date I will come back, right? So this shows us time. When did you come back from your holiday? Not where. Here we have to say time. So here we will write when. When did you come back from your holiday? Question mark. After that, whose do you want the keys? Here, whose do you want the keys is not correct. Here we have to ask question, why you want keys? You want keys, but why you want keys? Here we are not asking whose keys are this, right? Here it is not possession. We are giving keys, so we are asking why do you want the keys? So here it will not come whose, here it will come why. Why do you want keys? What is the reason that you want keys? Why do you want the keys? And the last one, what reads in the library? What reads in the library? No. Who reads in the library? Priyank is reading in the library, or my mother is reading in the library, my father is reading in the library. What reads? No. Who reads in the library? So here we'll write who. Who reads in the library? And question mark. Pay your attention on the board, students. We'll revise it once again. First one, which are you hiding in your bag? No. What are you hiding in your bag? Speak with me. What are you hiding in your bag? Second one, why bed is this? No. Whose bed is this? Whose bed is this? Who boy is your friend? No. Which boy is your friend? Which boy is your friend? Which can you always write so neatly? No. How can you always write so neatly? How can you always write so neatly? When are your shoes? No. Where are your shoes? Where are your shoes? Here, where did you come back from your holiday? No. When did you come back from your holidays? When did you come back from your holidays? Whose do you want the keys? No. Why do you want the keys? Why do you want the keys? What reads in the library? No. Who reads in the library? Who reads in the library? Now what you have to do, this exercise you have to write in your class work with very good handwriting. Do neat and clean work, children, and your homework is you have to read. You will read all these sentences very carefully in homework. Okay. Take care, stay safe. Bye. Thank you.